Now children, today we are going to start with chapter number 14, that is India's role in world peace. India का क्या role रहा है world peace में? So India has always followed the policy of peace, right? Its non-violence freedom struggle is an example of India's love for peace. It has contributed significantly in the peace efforts of United Nations. India is one of the founding member of the United Nations. Next is active membership of UN. So India has played an active role as a founder member of UN. India has a member of drafting committee of the UN Charter, which was adopted in 1945. India participated in peacekeeping operation in Congo, Cyprus, Libya. It helped China to gain membership of the UN and peacekeeping efforts by India having helped the UN to avoid escalation of war in Korea, Vietnam, Iraq, Iran and Afghanistan. What India supported? India supported the Bangladesh liberation movement on the cost of their own security. There has been discussion of an increase in the number of permanent members, the countries who have made the strongest demand for permanent seats. Right? So, if we talk about Brazil, the last South American nation, India's world's second most populous country and world largest democracy are of two largest countries. So, the project has found opposition by many numbers. We have non-aligned movement. NAM जिसे हम कहते हैं. After Second World War, what happened? The world was divided into two major rival camps. These camps blocks were led by the USA and former USSR. America and USSR were the two superpowers. Each group has several member countries. Besides, there are several military pacts like NATO, which is led by USA, and Warsaw Pact led by USSR. So these pacts granted military protection and several other benefits to the member country, and there was a intense rivalry between them, and it is known as Cold War. The Cold War was the period of conflict, tension and competition between United Nations and the Soviet Union. Right? So, thought that the period, the rivalry between two superpowers was played out in multiple areas. Military coalition, ideology, psychology and espionage, these industrial and technical developments, including space race, costly defense spending, a massive conventional and nuclear arms race, and many proxy wars. At that time, some countries had won their freedom recently and they were reluctant to join either of the two camps because it could put them under subjugation of a powerful country. Now, some leaders like President of Nasser of Egypt, Tito of Yugoslavia and Prime Minister Nehru of India met at Belgrade, Yugoslavia in 1961 and decided to stay non-aligned to these groups. And what they initiated? A movement called non-aligned movement. Many countries joined this movement, and today there are 114 countries interesting to protect their freedom from the world peace. This is trying to develop trade and commerce among themselves. Right? So the member of the NAM continue to the member of UN. Within UN, they have formed a group called Group of 77, जो आपके unitedly work करते हैं, and India play a key role in today. NAM is respected by all, and this has been the greatest contribution of India in maintaining peace in the world. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.